Alright, for everybody out there wanting some tricks to get your motor mount out of your PT Cruiser, because they do go bad. Definitely a lot of vibration in the engine because of this guy. And he's right here, mounted into the frame. So the only way to change this is to remove the engine. And a lot of companies are charging about $1,500 in labor to do this job.
So I don't have any malice or anything.
And I just want to show you that you can do it at home. Yes, I'm using a lift, but really if you jack it up on 4 jack stands nice and tall. Let's see. I didn't really go down too far. I'd say like a foot under the car, 1.5 feet. Remove the CV axles. You can see right through there. Okay. Disconnect any of your wiring that's going to be too tight. I think I took the cooling fan and the radiator out. I just loosened up. Power cables were connected to the battery tray. I just unconnected that. There was a transmission harness right here. Yeah, this one. That was getting kind of tight, so I had to disconnect it. But other than that, I started yesterday around 4. I got off at 5. And I've been on it for another, I'd say a good hour and a half. So I'm almost 3 hours into it. And the new mount is in. Make sure you scribe the old mount, because they do oversize these holes to compensate for manufacturing differences. So I am going to line that up nice. And that's it. Drop the alternator. Hope you enjoy.